Hey guys, I'm Annette. Welcome to my channel. We grabbed a Facebook Marketplace find and wanted to update it, so we put spray paint on it, clear coated it, and then added some inexpensive covers from Amazon. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. These are actually Turkish towels that I had in my bathroom for a while, and then I kind of changed my bathroom up. So I thought they'd make good throw blankets out here on the deck because it'd be super easy to wash, and they're actually pretty big. We got inexpensive covers from Amazon. I think they were $9 a piece. Spray paint, Rust-Oleum, then a clear, and then a waterproofer to kind of update our Marketplace sofa. So here's the two side by side. The dark brown and the green is what it looked like when we bought it off Marketplace. And then here it is. With the pillow covers that have been waterproofed. So I found this at Home Depot. So I want to spray it down again since they're going to be outside. And it looks gray. To me, it reminds me of the Restoration Hardware gray. And it's called bronze. I got those. So I got these Amazon covers, and then I got some of this waterproof spray, which ours is under a gazebo, so hopefully it won't get wet, but in the event it does.